Welcome back to Tech Pulse, the show where we break down the biggest stories in science and technology. If you're new here, hey, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode.
Yeah, smash that button. You'll thank us later.
All right, headline time. Scientists crack the code on predicting Mars auroras.
Wait, hold on. Mars has auroras? Like the Northern Lights, but Red Planet Edition?
Exactly. Green lights in the Martian sky, and for the first time, planetary scientists can predict when they'll happen.
Okay, pause. Let's slow this down for everyone. What exactly is an aurora, and how do you get one on Mars where there's no global magnetic field like Earth?
Good question. So, an aurora is basically what happens when charged particles from the sun, usually carried by solar winds, slam into a planet's atmosphere. On Earth, that makes those famous green and purple lights in the polar skies. On Mars, things are different. No strong magnetic field, so the auroras spread across the entire night sky instead of just the poles.
That sounds honestly kind of epic. Like, imagine astronauts looking up and the whole Martian sky is glowing green. Sci-fi vibes, but real.
Yeah, and here's the kicker. Predicting them has been insanely difficult. But now Dr. Elise Wright Knutsen from the University of Oslo and her team cracked it.
All right, let me guess. It involves a bunch of acronyms.
Oh, you know it. The whole thing comes down to CMEs. That's coronal mass ejections.
Which is what exactly?
Basically, giant blasts of solar plasma from the sun. Imagine the sun sneezing out billions of tons of charged particles at crazy speeds.
Bless you, son.
Right? Now, what Knutsen's team found is that speed matters. CMEs traveling faster than 800 kilometers per second are the ones that trigger visible auroras on Mars.
800 kilometers per second? Hang on, that's like...
Almost 3 million kilometers per hour.
Okay, wow, that's not fast, that's ludicrous speed.
Exactly. And when one of those high-speed CMEs slams into Mars, the solar wind disturbance is strong enough to accelerate particles into the Martian atmosphere, lighting it up.
So how did they figure this out? Trial and error?
Pretty much. Between 2023 and 2024, they tried 8 times to catch auroras with NASA's Perseverance rover. At first, total fails because they were tracking CMEs that were too slow. Then, using data from NASA's MAVEN orbiter and ESA's Mars Express, they refined their model. And boom, March 2024, Perseverance snapped the first visible light aurora on Mars.
That's wild. But wait, there's a logistical catch here, right? Like, you can't just turn Perseverance's camera whenever you want.
Bingo. Observations have to be uploaded 3 days in advance. So once a CME leaves the sun, scientists have to predict when it'll hit Mars and commit. No do-overs.
That's like calling a shot in pool with your eyes closed 3 days earlier. Respect.
And it paid off. One CME in March 2024 was clocked at 1,121 kilometers per second. That's way above the threshold. And sure enough, the Martian sky lit up green.
So what's the big deal, though, besides cool space pictures?
Well, 2 things. One, it's just plain awe-inspiring. Future astronauts could literally watch auroras dancing over the whole sky. 2, it's a safety issue. Those solar storms also mean radiation spikes, which are dangerous for humans on Mars.
Ah, so predicting auroras isn't just for pretty Instagram shots. It's like an early warning system.
Exactly. Katie Stack Morgan from NASA said it's crucial for preparing human exploration. Understanding auroras means understanding radiation risks.
Okay, but let me ask the fun one. If I'm an astronaut on Mars, during a big CME, what do I see? Like, is it the same green glow as Earth's aurora?
Yes, the green comes from oxygen atoms glowing at 557.7 nanometers, the same wavelength as Earth's northern lights. So yeah, you look up and see a Martian-wide northern light shell.
That's okay, that's reason enough to go to Mars. Forget colonization. I just want to see the Aurora party.
Just don't forget your radiation shield.
Fair.
So, to wrap it, predicting auroras on Mars isn't just a science flex. It's about astronaut safety, mission planning, and yes, some epic views.
And on that note, we'll sign off. Thanks for hanging with us today on Tech Pulse.
If you enjoyed this, hit like, drop a comment, and of course, subscribe for more deep dives into the tech shaping our future.
Catch you next time. And hey, if you're listening from Mars, send us a sky pic.